Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, English as a Second Language in Pakistan. This video lesson is being recorded for Intermediate Part 2 students. We are going to study the novel Goodbye Mr. Chips. We'll be reading script from chapter number 4 and overall this is lecture number 18. Students, you are going to open your books on page number 9 and we'll be reading text on page number 9 from line number 5 to line number 25. As we read, I'll be explaining you difficult words, incidences, and I'll also be providing you synonyms in context. Are you ready? Let us start. Here, her name was Katherine Bridges. She was 25. Young enough to be Chip's daughter. Here in these lines, the author is presenting a comparison between the age of Katherine Bridges and Mr. Chips. Mr. Chips is almost of the double age of Katherine Bridges. Katherine Bridges is 25, whereas we studied previously Mr. Chips is 48 years old. She had blue flashing eyes. Now her eyes are blue and eyes are shining. Flashing means shining, alive, full of life. And freckled cheeks. Her cheeks are freckled. Freckled means there must be some type of spots on her cheeks. And smooth straw colored hair. Straw colored, yellowish golden hair. This type of hair are also called blonde or yellowish hair. She too was staying at a farm on holiday with a girlfriend, and as she considered herself responsible for Chip's accident, she used to bicycle along the side of the lake to the house in which the quiet, middle-aged, serious-looking man lay resting. This sentence tells us clearly that Katherine Bridges is a modern woman. The same type of modern woman that Mr. Chips does not like. Previously in the same chapter we studied that Chips did not like women to bicycle. He was not in favor of women's freedom. He did not want to see women studying in the universities, or he did not like women to ask for freedom. But unluckily, Katherine, the woman attending him, the woman who saved his life, is the one that he did not like, the type he did not like. That was how she thought of him at first. And what are views of Katherine Bridges about Mr. Chips? She thought that he's a middle-aged man between 35 to 45 or 50 years old, and he must be serious looking. And because she rode a bicycle and was unafraid to visit a man alone in a farmhouse sitting room, wondered vaguely, Mr. Chips thought, vaguely, unclearly, not exactly, or roughly, what the word was coming to. Mr. Chips thought about this girl that she was modern. His sprain, fracture. Previously we studied that Mr. Chips got his ankle fractured as he was trying to help the girl on the mountain or on the hill or on the ledge. And the girl helped him reach home. His sprain put him at her mercy. Mercy, kindness. Mr. Chips was forced to take help from this modern girl. Mr. Chips was on the mercy of this modern girl. If she would not help Mr. Chips, possibly Mr. Chips would suffer a lot more than what he is suffering now. And it was soon revealed to him how much he might need that mercy. As the time passed, as every single day was passing, Mr. Chips was realizing that he needed her help. This is for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next lesson. Have a very nice time.